Click on the link below to get price. The HAPPYRUN 2000W electric bike for adults impresses with its powerful performance and thoughtful design, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and recreational riding. Powered by a robust 2000W motor, this e-bike delivers a thrilling ride, easily reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling hilly terrains, the bike's acceleration is smooth and responsive, making every journey enjoyable. One of the standout features of the HAPPYRUN bike is its 48V 25Ah removable battery. This high-capacity battery not only provides a substantial range of up to 60 miles on a single charge but is also convenient for users who prefer to charge it away from the bike. The ability to detach the battery adds a layer of practicality, especially for those living in apartments or places with limited charging options. The construction of the bike is robust, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame designed to support various rider weights and conditions. Coupled with 20-inch fat tires, it offers excellent stability and grip, ensuring a comfortable ride over diverse surfaces. The adjustable seat and handlebars accommodate different body types, allowing for a personalized fit that enhances the riding experience. Braking is equally impressive, with hydraulic disc brakes providing reliable stopping power even in wet conditions. This feature is essential for safety, particularly when riding at higher speeds. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with bright LED lights and reflectors, ensuring visibility during nighttime rides. While the price point may be on the higher side compared to standard bikes, the quality, performance, and features of the HAPPYRUN 2000W electric bike justify the investment. Overall, it's an exceptional choice for adults seeking an eco-friendly, efficient, and enjoyable means of transportation. Whether you're commuting daily or exploring trails on weekends, this e-bike is sure to exceed expectations and deliver a remarkable riding experience.